Welcome to my vlog!
Inising kasi.
Hi! Hello po! Welcome to my YouTube channel.
Hello, nandito tayo sa Holo Holo Festival sa Liberty Station. Daming vendor oh. Nandito si Dino. LNL Hawaiian Musubi, ayan o, LNN NLL si Dino.
Oh no, that's we have the short ribs. That's like the beef plate. That's the ribs that are cut like this. Korean short ribs.
Ayan o sa amin. Gabi na so. Ito kay Maui. Island Light Food. Ito sa amin gabi na so. Gabi na. Ayan o. Gabi na Filipino food. Yan o sa amin. Ito kay Maui. Yan paninda niya. Oh. May tortillas din siya. Squid. Ayan, squid naman. Ito squid. Ayan.
We'll find them right now.
Squid ya, puro squid. Ito si shrimp. Dito, olive. Ayan o. So si MJ. Si Buchon. Pero sila si Buchon.
How do you get her so quiet? My multiple is loud. Seriously. Hello.
Daming mahaba pila na ano, ng palamig. Ayan ang mga vendor dito ngayon. May mga lumpia rin sila oh. Yan pagkain nila oh. may fried rice, sisig. Sumo size. Ayan, mga panindan nila. Dito, barbecue din. Madami nagluto ngayon ng barbecue. Ayan.
We got the Thailand. It's all good, yeah.
Ang daming vendor.
Yeah, we see on Instagram. Like,
Kaya hindi masyadong kumita ngayon ng mga vendor.
no, we appreciate it. Thanks. Okay.
Drinks ang malakas, drinks. Kaya mga mahaba yung pila, yung mga drinks. May ube. Ayan, mga sombrero. Maraming paninda dito. Maraming mga paninda dito ngayon. Oh. Maraming mga vendor. Itong kabila. Mga dessert. Nasa likod tayo ngayon, nasa likod. Likod ito ng ano, ng event. Likod ito ng event. Ayan, mga souvenir, In-N-Out Burger. Ayan, mga damit. Masaya dito, masaya. Lalo kanina. Lalo kanina, masaya ho dito dahil maraming nagsasayaw. Hawaiian ho ito eh, Hawaiian Festival.
Remind everyone that if you look around you, if you see anything fall
What you can, there is that
please throw it
this
in
option.
the trash can. We appreciate
That will
that.
dispose
No
of
problem. If you want to pick up any more raffle tickets, ooh, this is one.
Maglalakad-lakad lang po tayo dito oh, sa ano sa Hawaiian Festival. Yung mga nasa likod na yan, mga vendor ho yan na ano, mga souvenir, mga damit, sombrero. Ito naman yung mga nanonood.
If you have a green ticket, you're in the running.
Yan o, mga nanonood
If
ho
you don't
yan.
have a green ticket, you just walk in. You're not gonna make it, man. So, grab a green ticket from sister over here right now, and you could win a $100 May that she is wearing.
Ang dami mga souvenir.
So good. Okay. Well, these are gonna go back to the booth, and so another shout out to. By the way, I was just over at Dem Nuts. My good
May mga
friends,
cookies.
and Dem Nuts, and I had one of their it was a lychee like a frozen pop.
Yan mga paninda dito.
Smoking time. Remember you just push them up like you put a popsicle. It's so good. So check them out over there. They got lots of goodies. All right, show of hands. Who's been here since this morning, since we started? Show of hands.
Sobrang init ngayon.
Right there. Who else has been here since this morning?
Yan o, nasa likod tayo.
Hands over there. Mahalo. Thank you so much. Thank you for supporting all day.
Yan mga titinda ng tela o.
Never been to a San Diego.
Mga Hawaiian
Show of hands.
na tela.
Welcome. Right over there. Thank you so much, guys.
Ninta Island Islander. Mga t-shirt yan, mga t-shirt. Musubi oh. Madami kayong makikita dito pag pumunta kayo ng mga farmers market, mga event na ganito, marami oh. Saka marami ding libre na pinamimigay.
Lico Hina's tropical butters. Anybody get any of Lico Hina's tropical butters? Can I see a show of hands? Show of hands. Is that Onokai stuff or what? Oh my goodness. You know what my favorite one is? Lico Hina's tropical butter. It's a Licoid butter. Right? OMG. That says close your ears. There's not really
Emery, do you want one?
May ice candy dito. Mga t-shirt.
No, mango's amazing too. I had to load it for them because they couldn't get across the grass. It looks smooth and short, but when you go through it, it's not. So.
Like, comment, subscribe. Thanks for watching.
Init, sobra.